my beautiful family, and welcome back again to my channel. It's me, your baby girl Glory. Guys, it's breakfast time, so let's quickly make something easy, quick and delicious. Okay guys, for breakfast we are going to be having cream macaroni with some chicken breast and some shrimps. So guys, let's cook. Okay, in a hot boiling water I add some salt and some olive oil. I'll go ahead and add in my macaroni, allow it to cook for some minutes, then I'll go ahead and prepare the cream.
Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay.
So my macaroni is ready. In a clean pan, I'll just go ahead and add in some olive oil, and I'll add in my chopped onions.
You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need.
So here is our chicken breast and our shrimps, which I've already seasoned, and I kept it in the fridge for 1 hour. So I'll go ahead and add in my chicken, give that a stir. Then I'll go ahead and add in our shrimps and give that a good stir, close it and allow it to cook.
You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
So this is the cream I'm going to be using. It's called the Nono Light. We have the thick one, but I'm going to be using the light one. And I use 3 cans of this because my chicken and my shrimps has already been seasoned, and this Nono cream is also sweet. So I will not be adding any additional seasoning to it. Okay.
Trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Look at that, so creamy and delicious. Easy breakfast. Guys, food is ready. I just go ahead and dish out for myself and enjoy. Okay.
Fade away as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like
guys, this is so good, so delicious and yummy. I love it. So guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share our video, and always leave your comment down below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next one. Bye bye.